Hello friends, merhaba arkadaşlar. Today we are going to learn Turkish alphabet. Turkish alphabet consists of 29 letters. It has 21 consonants and 8 vowels. It has 7 modified letters from Latin originals, but it doesn't have the letters Q, W, and X. As you see on the chart, most of the letters are familiar for the English language speakers. A few of them different. For example, Ö and Ü have dots on them. Ç and Ş have tails. And one of the letter even has a hat. Yumuşak G, soft G. Okay, now let's take a close look to the alphabet. The first letter of Turkish alphabet is A. It is not A. A, as in arm. A. And the next one is B. To read a consonant in Turkish alphabet, you simply add a sound to the consonant. In this case, it is B, as in boy. B. And the next one is, it is not C, it is J, as in joy. J. And the next one is the brother of J with a tail, Ç, as in chair. Ç. And the next one is D, as in door. D. And the next one is not E, it is E, as in end. E. And the next one is F, as in far. F. And the next one is not Ç, it is G, as in game. G. And the next one is the brother of G. We call it soft G, yumuşak G. It's the letter which is almost silent, almost voiceless. I am going to give more examples about this in the following slide so you can understand better. And the next one is H, as in high. H. And the next one is I, the thick form of I. I, as in open. I. And the next one is not I, it is I, as in fit. I. And the next one is not J, it is J, as in measure. J. And the next one is K, as in king. K. And the next one is L, as in look. L. And the next one is M, as in moon. M. And the next one is N, as in nice. N. And the next one is O, as in or. O. And the next one is a thinner version of O, Ö, as in urge. Ö. And the next one is P, as in pen. P. And the next one is R, as in rent. R. And the next one is S, as in song. S. And the next one with a tail, Ş, as in show. Ş. And the next one is T, as in top. T. And the next one is U, as in zoo. U. And the next one is a thinner version of U, Ü, as in new. Ü. And the next one is V, as in voice. V. And the next one is Y, as in yes. Y. And the last one is Z, as in zen. Z. Okay, these are the letters in Turkish alphabet. Now let's take a look at them one by one to understand them better. A. Ağustos. A. As you see in this word, there is a soft G. And while I'm reading it, soft G combines two vowels, which are A and U, in a smooth way. I'm not reading it as Ağustos, I'm reading it as Ağustos. Ağustos. Okay, the next one is B. Banka. B. Banka. And the next one is, remember, it is not C, it is C. Ceket. C. Ceket. And the next one is, with a tail, brother of C, Ç. Çay. Ç. Çay. And the next one is D. Doktor. D. Doktor. And the next one is, remember, it's not E, it is E. Ev. E. Ev. And the next one is F. Fax. F. Fax. And the next one is, remember, it's not G, it is G. Gemi. G. Gemi. And the next one is yumuşak G, soft G. It's a almost voiceless letter. And what does it do? It combines two vowels in a smooth way. In this case, I'm not going to read it as yoğurt. I'm going to read it as yoğurt. Yoğurt. Okay, the next one is he. Hobby. He. Hobby. And the next one is, it's a thick E. We are going to read it as I. Işık. I. Işık. And the next one, remember, it's not I, it is I. İstasyon. I. İstasyon. Okay, the next one is, it is not J, it is J. Jöle. J. Jöle. And the next one is K. Kahve. K. Kahve. And the next one is L. Limon. L. Limon. And the next one is M. Müzik. M. Müzik. And the next one is N. Nar. N. Nar. And the next one is O. Ofis. O. Ofis. And the next one is the thin version of O with dots. Ö. Ördek. Ö. Ördek. And the next one is P. Park. P. Park. And the next one is R. Radyo. R. Radyo. And the next one is S. Stadyum. S. Stadyum. And the next one is with a tail. Ş. Şeker. Ş. Şeker. And the next one is T. Tiyatro. T. Tiyatro. And the next one is U. Uçak. U. Uçak. And the next one is a thinner version of U with dots. Ü. Üniversite. Ü. Üniversite. And the next one is V. Volkan. V. Volkan. And the next one is Y. Yoga. Y. Yoga. And the last one is Z. Zebra. Z. Zebra. Okay, friends, these are all the letters in Turkish alphabet. As you see, most of them are familiar for the English language speakers. A few of them are different, but with some repetition and study, I'm sure in a short time you are going to get used to them. Okay, thank you for watching. See you in our following lessons. Bye bye, hoşça kalın.